In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add pages on Shopify. Now, to be able to add pages, you're first going to go to the homepage of Shopify, of course, and you will be able to find the feature of pages by looking over here on the left side once again and clicking on the online store. When you select the online store, there will be series of features that you could access. You have your themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. What we're looking for is, of course, the option pages. So if you select pages, you will be able to see here that we have currently one page. To be able to add a page, you can simply click on Add Page over here on the top right. So if you select this, we will be able to add and enter the different details about our page. So for example, on our add page or on our new page, let's say sizing chart. Let's copy the example or the suggestion page, sizing chart. There we go. Then you can simply put in the content over here. You can also generate text using AI if you want to utilize AI for your description or your content. You could also insert an image, insert a video, or clear the formatting. And then like the typical paragraph formatting over here that are available. You can also show the HTML over here or show the editor. So if you enter an HTML code over here, then click on Show HTML, you will be able to see the content of that HTML code that you have just uploaded or dropped into this description. You can also check out the visibility over here on the right side. It is visible as of now, but you can also set it as hidden. And the default template, of course, is the default page. And you can customize template if you want. Anyway, after that, you can simply click on Save. And after saving, you will be able to add that specific page to your website. Now, to be able to customize this, you can either click on View Page over here to actually view it, but there's no content over here, of course, because we didn't add any content or image or video. But to be able to actually edit it, you're going to have to go to the themes, click on Customize, then you will be redirected to the editing page of Shopify where you can customize the different appearance. Click on Home Page over here on the top, click on Pages, and as you can see, it's not appearing right now, but it's supposed to show up over here where you will be able to customize it. There we go. We have the default page as the name. But anyway, we have our sizing chart over here. Now you can add different section over here that you want. For example, image with text. Then you can add the image of the sizing chart and instructions over here. All of those stuff you will be able to customize. And after that, you can simply click on Save. And you will be able to save that. Then if we refresh this, there we go. We now have the content of our page successfully appearing over here. You can add multiple pages at once. If you want to have multiple pages for your online store, you are able to do that. There is no limit to the amount of pages that you could add. So if you want to add multiple, so let's say for this one, you could say About Us. Simply click on Save. You are absolutely able to add as many pages as you want. And for example, you're creating a blog as well for your online store, for your e-commerce store, which is Shopify. You could utilize these pages over here, which would allow you to have multiple pages about multiple types of information. And that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.